morning. It's April 20th, 2012. We've seen the market come up overnight. On our small chart, we're coming up to a major fib. Seeing a SR level respected here.
377 change down.
Also have a kind of a strange foot forming on 440 coming from above, possibly on 610, so we could have a pretty good short coming up here. Maybe a pullback first.
610 change down.
Looks like a two-bar reversal. Excuse me, head and shoulders right here, so might come up to here and do a reverse. And we could easily have more up. Got an incredibly strong V forming on the 10K right down here. Strong on the rail, although coming to center line on 4181. Got a little jig-jogging going on here. I think basically we're looking for perhaps a place to get in, but we'll see. Trading volumes are significant.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in for a short. Could easily have a pullback first. We could also be in for a long ride short today.
Change down.
Here we're getting a little pullback. This could be expected.
233 change up. 377 change up.
Alright, so we got faked out on a short, that short, but we're still looking for it. Now we're getting up to the deeps.
987 change up.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay, we're in for another short.
233 change down. 377 change down.
One thing to note about my first trade was, well, kind of going sideways at that point, so I can't say that was going against the grain specifically, although we've been up so far this morning. Keltner was kind of churned sideways.
Change down.
Got tremendous volume today. Big boys are out to play. This could be another head fake, but we are at the deeps. Got plenty of separation. See if we can get through on the 610 lower Bollinger Band as well as top Bollinger Band for 987. Need to see 1597 roll around and down, and also 4181 needs to get off the rail for us. The target's set at the deeps on this short range fib. We'll want to switch that as we move down. Had a pullback here. We'll take a pause until we get some results. Okay, we're making a little progress. We're going to move our target down. Let's go to this SR point. We're also going to lock in some profits since we saw our first trade go bad. We want to make sure we don't give up too much. We can always get back in on a pullback if we think we're going to go down further, and it looks like we are. Let's move this back to this SR line here. These SR lines are often very well respected, as this one was here. Okay, don't want to get knocked out. Too early. As you can see, we had a lot of activity right in this range over here, so it wouldn't be surprising if we did the same thing here. But we'll watch our indies and go with them. Pretty cool lesson on how we had a fake out breakout here, and then it moved to the major fib area, which is what we were waiting for in the first place, but my patience wasn't effective in this case. Take a pause. Okay, we've come to a double bottom area right here. See if we can make it through that. Still have strong indications of a short. also respecting this SR line, which is from days before today.
Two, three, three, change up.
Okay, we don't want to lose too much more on this, so I'm going to go ahead and close.
Target filled.
And we'll look for another opportunity to get in because I think we're still going short. Stalled a bit right here. But we could retrace up into this area. Right in here. Maybe even get up to this SR line. We'll take a pause. Okay, now we've come up to the deeps on this short-term area. Could have a foot forming on 1597. That would be pretty sweet. Got a pretty nice reversal pattern on 610. Could have some more up. We'll need some more to get that foot on the 1597. Oh, we got a bounce on 4181. That's pretty important. Pretty important indicator that there could be more up. We'll take a pause. Okay, we've reached this major fib here. We're in this deep area. Looks like a head and shoulders here. I think I'm going to go for a short.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in for a short. Got a fair bar setup with head and shoulders. Got the deeps on 2 different time frames. This could be the start of something big. We'll see. Alright, we're making some progress. And we're going to give this one plenty of room to run. It's not a very responsible way to set your target. Okay, we're not going to lose any money on this trade. Here's the deeps for this small retracement area. We also got this SR line in the vicinity, so you also got the potential now for a foot forming on 4181, excuse me, 610. We want to close this because we got that bounce on 4181. Okay, we're going to close this baby.
Target filled.
The phrase pigs get slaughtered came to mind. And if we see another good opportunity for the short, we'll look for it. But I'm thinking this. If we could go down a little here, we might pick up a 610 foot. We're also doing awfully well for a Friday, so we don't want to get too piggy on it. Okay, this 610 looks like it's starting to form very well, so we'll watch that. For long, I'm not really looking for a long overall, but we gotta listen to the market more than our brains, right?
Order pending.
Alright, I didn't get filled on that. I'm going to take that out.
Order canceled.
I'm going to take that out. We'll see if we can get above this Bollinger Band. Okay, we did.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in for a long. We can give it plenty of breathing room. Got a 2-bar reversal here. Not happy with that. But our 610 promises a long here. Let's see if it can do its thing. Got sideways indication on 1597. And we may be getting into a channeling situation here. Got support from the big charts. Okay, we'll see if we can break through this fib line and double top here. Okay, we're making some progress now. I don't want to lose anything on this baby.
Stop filled.
Ah, shucks. Phooey. So we made a couple of ticks. Why do I feel like I was part of the herd on that? We're at a major resistance point now. We should sell. Also got a head and shoulders here probably.
Order filled.
Okay. Got some action down. Pretty good formations on the small charts. See if we can poke through. Some lower Bollinger Bands on some bigger charts. All right, we're gonna get out of that one. We're getting into a
Target filled.
shop type situation right now, and let's take a look at how we're doing. Okay, we're up 2.8 points for today. That first trade didn't work out. Ever since then, we've been doing fair. But now we're getting into a choppy environment, consolidation environment, whatever you want to call it. And I don't want to participate, and I'm not really in the mood for waiting, but we'll wait a little bit. Okay, I'm going to call it a day with the 2.8 points. I'm thankful and appreciative of Big Mike Trading and everybody involved, plus some other individuals who have been assisting me. And I hope this video might do something for you. And hope you have a great weekend. And we'll see you next week.